Hi and welcome to Bounty Hunters. Bounty Hunters is an influencer marketing platform, so it allows people with social media accounts to perform marketing and PR activities for various brands, projects, and startups. One of the marketing channels is Facebook, so today I will show you how influencers can use their Facebook social media profile, attach it to our platform Bounty Hunters, and perform various tasks on their social media profile of Facebook. So once you log into the Bounty Hunters website, you can click on our bounties to check for the available clients. For example, we go into Coinance, which is a current running marketing campaign. And we can see that this company has various tasks, including Facebook like page, Facebook share post, and Facebook create your own post. So if I go into my profile, first thing I need to do is I need to attach my Facebook profile to Bounty Hunters website. So I click on connect. To start contribution in Facebook campaign, you need to connect your Facebook account. Connect. After I click connect, it automatically attaches my Facebook profile to my account. So now you see it's in green. So for example, now if I click on my tasks, I will search for Facebook available activities to earn money as a influencer. For example, the company Coinance has a Facebook post task. So I click on this task, I can check the rules. So what I need to do, which hashtags I need to include, and how often I can perform this task. So if I actually want to do something on the platform Bounty Hunters, my profile needs to be attached, which is already the case. Now I click on create new post. That opens up a separate window for Facebook. And as you can see, the website of the project Coinance is attached to my post. The hashtag is attached as well. Here I can type my thoughts and ideas about the project that I want to promote. And then I click post to Facebook. So once I click post to Facebook, our platform Bounty Hunters picks that information up, parses it, and within 5 minutes, it should be approved by the system or disapproved. Aside from having BountyHunters.io website, which is where the influencers perform the activities, we have a manager panel for our clients, brands, and campaign managers. So for example, if I want to check the user activity, I want to check the influencers which performed these activities on Facebook. So I can sort here by Facebook. And now I see that this is the last person who created a post. Unfortunately, at this moment, we do not have access to his profile to check the work done. So under the profile tab, when you click on the influencer's name, it should open his Facebook page in order for us to verify his completed work. But we are getting this message at the moment. So sorry, this content is not available at the moment. This is the problem we're having currently with Facebook developer feature, which needs to be resolved. So I thank you very much for your time.